He's dumb. He lost his. I don't know. That's he came in my class fifth or so. Right now he says some kid took my board, and he said he doesn't know who it is or where. Like I don't know. Okay, but I wasn't even there. I'm in class, and he went to second lunch, and he was playing basketball, and he had it on the ground, the Barney board, and it got taken by some kids, but I don't know who it is. Yeah, he doesn't know. Yeah, he doesn't know because he was playing ball. He's retarded. Because he wanted to show it off. I know, right? I don't know why he's
Nelson, throw up gang signs. Throw up gang signs. I'm just kidding. Do not. Oh hell no. How do you feel?
I'm gonna kill a kid.
Bro, you can't even kill someone you need like that.
Okay.
Where's Fortnite?
Fortnite, you get shit on most of the time.
Bro, I literally had to raise you twice.
That's cap.
And your cousin 3 times.
That's cap.
And I have a recording.
Bro, you're
Yeah,
such.
it's because I record everything.
That's crazy.
Bro, I can recording with my story now.
You guys are gonna be hanging out, like,
I just recorded Mr. talking.
Is it?
Huh?
Is it?
It's still recording.
Alright.
That button on this right here is to record.
Nah, for real? I thought it was to make it explode. Giggity, 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 giggity. We have the real Glen Quagmire.
You don't really like that.
Whoa. Get that zoom in mode right now.
That zoom in?
you guys bringing back the camcorder?
Yeah, I'll bring it back.
We're part of the film and TV.
We're part of the KKK, the Cool Kids Club.
Bro, when you know Mr. Barajas, when he switched to our class, we like did like the tables that have their own names, and we put the KKK Cool Kids Club. And then like a week later, he's like, "Hey, you can put that."
A week later. How much did you guys spend on that board?
He spent like 60 to get the deck.
Plus the grip is like 70 or 80.
He's
What do you think
dumb.
about that?
Is he that dumb to
My
fucking...
brother only brought it to show off.
Why
I
is he
think that's
letting
why
it...
people get robbed a lot though, is because they try to show off. Like my uncle, he got killed, bro, because he was showing off. Like he would show off his watch, his glasses were like Ray-Bans. He would show off.
Why are you laughing, bro?
Dude.
No, you can laugh. It's fine.
Ooh, Mark. Mark.
If I go to his Instagram,
Mark.
he's like recording
Mark.
his watch. He's driving a Benz. Like it's crazy.
Oh, my bad.
And he had a Challenger, and it was like all wrapped like his own design. So they robbed him for his phone, his wallet, his watch, his car. And they
That's
like
crazy.
they dumped him on a park bench thinking he was gonna wake up. But since he had a bad kidney, like he never woke up.
On a park bench? What do you mean? Like,
Like
a park?
they dumped his body. Like they laid him down on a park bench. Or
How do
like,
you know all this?
They sat him down, sitting down, because that's how that's how they found his body.
Wait, so
Like
you
he was huh? They like propped his body up like this.
Bro, you have so much guests that are close to you, bro. Like your nana, you just said that straight up.
No, but they propped up his body on a park bench, and then like some lady like called the police because he wasn't moving for a long time.